Hey, what's up? It's another Dyno today over on Brenspeed TV. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brent. If you love dyno videos, shop tour videos, just informative videos, great place to hang out. So subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. But it's an 07 GT with 116,000 miles bone stock running our Edelbrock Supercharger package. We have multiple packages for the 3-valve. This is the lowest horsepower package. Very entry level. Great thing to put on a stock Mustang. So we're going to check out that dyno pole, look at the numbers. So stick around and let's go check this out. So today it's going to be a very short video about the Edelbrock Supercharger. I'm going to tell you what's in the package. We're talking about only 6-7 PSI of boost. Doug, come down, take a look. Stock 4.6 here, 3-valve. It's the Edelbrock. It's intercooled. It's a TVS 2300. It's capable of a lot of power. We're only running a 3.75 supercharger pulley today. And our package comes with the Edelbrock Competition Cold Air Intake. All you'll need for a big boost in the future. 41-pound fuel injectors, Kohler spark plugs. Got to upgrade the fuel pump, so we do that via a Kinney Bell booster pump. And then you get an SCT programmer with a proper calibration. I believe this car also has a 160 thermostat to help keep that engine as cool as possible. So that's our Edelbrock package right there. We have lots of packages out there that you can put on a stock Mustang. But I wanted to take a minute today to show you this one because they've been on back order for 9 months and we now have them in stock. So check out this dyno pole and we'll talk all about it. All right, I want to talk about these numbers. We're on 93 octane. We're in Indiana, so 93 octane pump gas car, manual transmission. Doug, come over here, take a look. DynoJet SAE, 424 real horsepower, peaking at 5,700 RPM. I'm going to tell you all about that here in a second after reviewing data logs. Torque comes in at stellar 421 at 4,700 RPM. So normally on this package, with good fuel, and normally 93 octane is good fuel, we would maybe see 435, 440 real horsepower on a stock car. But Doug, I want to show you this graph. So this is 5,000 RPM right here. We're climbing. As we approach 5,500, the graph sort of flattens. It's not really going down much, but it's flattening a little bit. And right here to here is where you normally jump between that 424 to 435 or maybe 440 real horsepower at this small amount of boost. But through the data log, it showed the NOx sensors weren't letting it run as much timing as I normally run. And this is what we see a lot in Indiana, winter blend fuel. I'm not a fuel engineer. I don't know exactly what's in winter blend, but I know in almost every car I get in here in the winter, just running the normal pump, like fresh, you know, their fresh fuel in the winter has some additives in there from the cold weather that normally won't let it run as much timing as possible. But no big deal, because the same tune you have on the car right now, you can run that same tune all year long. And when you start getting out of the winter blend, we call it, it'll run a little bit more timing. A little bit more timing equals a little bit more power. But even at what we're at, 424 to the tires, torque 421 on this 375 pulley, this is a killer setup. This is peak torque at almost wide open throttle. Or I'm going to say over 400 torque, pretty much you go wide open throttle, because here, right here, this is like 3,400 or over 400 torque. You got to love that. So that's the Edelbrock. It's a TVS. It's a 2300. We have these at this boost level right here. We also have it about 910 PSI. We call that our 560 horsepower package. That's flywheel. And that'll have torque's going to be more like 440, 450. Real horsepower is going to come up quite a bit because we're adding about 3 more pounds of boost, but they are definitely set up for premium fuel. So 90, 91, or anything higher than that, we have a calibration for you. We have these in stock. We can ship it out to you, or you can call 574-594-9559, email quote@brenspeed.com, say what's it cost to get installed, and we can either ship your car in, or you can drive in and we can install it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching.